Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little different video than what I normally post. I'm doing a vlog today. I just left Staples from printing out some forms because I'm on my way to go get a colonic. They call it a colon hydrotherapy service. So yes, that's currently what I'm on my way to go get done. This is my first time ever doing something like this, so I'm going to show y'all a before and after results to see if it really like makes your stomach go down, make you slimmer. I've heard a lot of different things that it makes you feel very energetic afterwards. Your spirit just changes after getting a colonic. So we're gonna see today. I'm currently driving, so I'm not gonna really do too much because I'm in my husband's car and he don't have that little phone holder thing like I have in my car. Yeah, so I use nail on my face to get this freaking hair off. And look at my face now. I don't know why I would do that. Well, I do it any other time. I just never had this happen. But I just left it on too long this time, and this is what happened. So the traffic is cut off right here. And this car, yo, some people just really are assholes. Assholes and don't know how to drive. I should have just showed y'all this. So on my damn lip. Alright, y'all. So once I get to the place, I'll get back on. Alright. So, mind you, my appointment was supposed to be at 12:15. I got here at 12:11. I'm still sitting in my car. I'm guessing they coming out. You know, with all this COVID stuff going on now, you have to text when you arrive for your appointments. Even for doctor's appointments, dentists, and things like that. For everyone. Okay. Now she's ready for me. So. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. Yeah, I like her. I like this shit out of her.
Let me tell you, I'm cracking up because I was literally... I have to tell you the funniest story. That is hilarious that you just asked that. 97.6.
I'm ready. I'm nervous. It's my first time.
I am going to break your virginity.
Oh, I love the way it looks.
We're gonna have fun. Yes. I already like your energy.
Yes. Get the booty hole. Get the booty.
Love it. Love it. I just have to make sure all is well and good. All right. So basically, you're here. Constipation.
Yes.
And you stay constipated.
All the time. I do stool softness. I do detox. And I've been had like ultrasounds done because I suffer from endometriosis. And they're like, they can't even get to see anything because I'm full of it.
We have work to do.
A whole lot of it.
We have work to do. Okay, I love this. This makes me happy. It does. It really does. It makes me happy. Do you know why it makes me happy? Because I'm in the business of... I am here because I love to make people like nothing makes me higher than when somebody leaves you and like, man, what? I'm like, oh yeah, I'm floating. Like you just made my whole freaking day.
That's why I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm ready to be like, oh, when I get out of here, I'm like, I'm full of energy. I'm
I'm excited. Excited to treat you. All right, right in here.
Okay.
And then remember, you're going to put that on open in the back, empty your bladder, and come on back in. And we're
all right. I'm excited. Oh my God, y'all, look at the side. It says it's all shits and giggles. Someone giggles and shits. Are you gonna be here the whole time? You gonna want to smell my shit?
Okay, this is how wrong you are about what a colonic is. Get your ass up here. my God.
I seen a YouTube channel and
No,
the girl said
no.
she smelled her.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me, you crazy child. You. Okay. First of all, that's not how it works.
Oh,
That's not how it works. Yes, I am here the whole time. So there's two types of systems.
okay.
There's an open system and a closed system. A closed system is what we have, meaning that the therapist stays with you the whole time and does the whole colonic.
Okay.
An open system is the system that you probably saw, where the person kind of gets on what looks like almost like a tub. They kind of do their own insertion. They sit on a little like tube, and when they feel like the water goes in, and when they feel like they have to go to the bathroom, they're pushing.
Yep.
Okay, so this is different.
Okay.
This is, honestly, it's better.
Oh, good.
Now, it really is a personal preference, but we're trained to do this. You know what I mean? So
Right.
it's like, you don't know what you're really doing.
Exactly.
You know, with an open system and the whole thing. So
Mess around, mess up something.
it's better to do it this way. And plus, one of the main reasons why I love a closed system is that we work on your stomach to get things moving. When you do an open system, you're in like there's no one working on your stomach, so the water's going in, it's coming out, it's going in, it's coming out, and you.
That's the lady. Oh, yeah.
The lady might have come in and rubbed it real quick, but I'm literally like here, like I just practically pound. Like I really worked on her stomach because she's so like you got to work on that to get things moving. So it is a little different. Okay.
Oh,
all right. So let me tell you how this part works, because this is the part that everyone gets like really freaky about. But when I tell you, it's going to be quick and easy and not a big deal. Okay. But what happens is you're going to turn onto your side. I'm going to be facing the door. I'm going to set up my speculum, which is really a fancy way of saying I'm going to put some lube on it. Okay. And I'm going to ask you if you're ready. Nobody's ever ready, ever.
Okay. Look, have you ever had somebody with a loose butthole where it just went right in?
Yes.
Really?
Many.
Oh,
yes.
shoot.
Yes.
I mean, they do it in the butt.
Yeah. They do. Some do. Some like it there. Who knows? Okay. So, what you're going to do is, I'm going to ask you, once I do that, I'm going to ask you if you're ready. The only reason I ask that is because I don't want to surprise you. You give me the go-ahead. I'll do the insertion.
Okay.
Insertion is nothing more than a little bit of a weird, uncomfortable feeling. I'm not going to hurt you.
Okay.
Okay? Once it's done, I take this hose, hook it up to what I just inserted. Right? Now you're attached to my machine. I'm going to ask you to come on back around. You're going to be in this position for the rest of treatment, and I'll explain to you how it works.
Okay.
Okay? Let's get you hooked up.
All right.
Give me your tail, my love. You ready?
I'm ready.
Deep breath. Okay, there we go. You just have to sit and breathe. So look at you, making it all easy for me. Okay, just breathe. I know it's weird. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Feels like an animal.
Yeah, it really does.
Oh, it does.
Okay, that's it. We're done.
It feels just like an animal,
that?
y'all. Dude.
You just did it. I'm super
A
proud.
suppository. That's exactly what.
Yeah, it does. It feels like that. All right. Come on back around, doll. It goes through the machine.
Look, she even got the little shit.
Oh, all the
The
little,
little shit thing at the top.
That's my favorite one. Can you see it?
Where?
Do you see it? You can't see it?
Up here?
It says I'm a fucking professional. Oh, you can't see it.
No, I like when in the bathroom. It's all shits and giggles.
It's all giggles and shits. Oh, yeah. It's so true. Okay, so let me tell you how this part works. Okay. So you can see here, like, you'll see all the little bubbles and, like, the gas things coming out. You see them? You see all the bubbles? Isn't that kind of cool?
This is weird. I love it.
And it's so weird. Okay, so this is how this part works. So what I'm going to do is start what we call a fill, okay? F-I-L-L. I am filling your colon with water. Some people believe that colonics is done where, I think this is like the misconception, where people think that we put in this hose and we spray you out and then we vacuum the stuff out, and it doesn't work like that. That would be so bad for the body. Really nicely and gently, okay? The idea behind it going in slowly like that is that we are now soaking the stuff that is in your colon, all the waste. Similar to, picture like when you cook something and you have a pot or a pan and you cook and then you throw it in the sink. No one goes and starts scrubbing that. They let it soak. They go back to it. And then everything just kind of like so much easier to clean. It's the same kind of concept with the colonic. As I put this water in, it's soaking the waste that's in the colon. Now, you're going to get to the point where it feels like it's time to release. And you're going to get a sensation like you have to go to the bathroom. Okay? You're going to feel it mainly down by your anus. You're not really going to feel it in your stomach. You're going to feel it more like, so sometimes people say, oh, I feel full, because it's down by your anus, really. However, so what I want you to do when you feel that sensation is, your code word for me is full. So you're going to tell me you're full. Now some people go, well, what if I don't know that feeling when they get nervous? I know when you're there. My gauge like lets me know that you're at that point that you have to release. But I don't like my clients to lay here feeling like they don't have control of this. So you're here, you start to feel it. Gina, I'm full. I will release it, okay? Because that just means that it's time that some of this stuff starts moving out. And I'll work on your stomach a bit, and then we go back to filling again.
Okay.
A
little bit. Yeah.
And I might push it a little bit, but we'll kind of do it together, okay?
Oh, she's the shit. She's the shit. No.
Lots of shit stuff around here. I'm telling you. We're all about the shit. Okay. Tell me about you. Tell me what's going on with you.
No, I don't drink enough water.
People underestimate their water intake. They don't know how important it is. It's just one of those things that because it's so accessible to us and it's like, yeah. Water is
I'm one of the people that think water is nasty.
Really?
I have to put lemon juice in. And there's certain water. Like, I will drink, what is that brand? I think it's like Smart Water.
Yeah.
I can drink that bottle, and I don't like cold water. It has to be like room temperature.
That's perfect, though. We will always tell you to drink room temperature or warm.
Yeah, I cannot.
I
can't stand cold water.
You don't want to be drinking cold water, so that works out perfectly.
Yeah, but I'll put lemon juice in it.
Lemon juice is fine.
A little bit of honey.
In your water?
I gotta.
Honey.
Oh my
God.
I do.
No.
Not a lot, just a little bit, but I do. And my husband hated it. He told me all the time that I need to drink more water. And I just want people that can't stand the way water tastes.
It doesn't even have a taste.
And that's all he drinks. We can go out. Water.
He's smart. You gotta listen to the hubs. Help everyone. All right. You okay? You don't feel like...
No
discomfort, crampies, nothing?
No.
Perfect. I'm wondering if the little belly that you have is a poop belly.
What is it?
You know, like... When was the last time you actually went to the bathroom?
This morning.
You did? Just a little teeny bit?
Yep.
And you were like, yeah, this is not right.
Yeah.
Did you eat?
I didn't eat this morning.
No breakfast?
No.
Any discomfort as I'm doing this?
No.
As soon as it starts moving, I'm going to show you so you can video. How long are the videos usually?
I try not. All right, y'all. So I'm done. I'm leaving. Oops. So let me tell y'all, I do feel a lot better. I had to make me another appointment to come back again this week because my constipation is off the chain. I had to come out of, she had to take the tube out of me so that I could hurry up and go to the bathroom because it was trying to come. And it came a whole lot. But I definitely, they say colonics, I'm going to post the information, but they definitely say colonics are great for people with severe constipation, diarrhea, if you have IBS, stuff like that. And another thing, I really love this lady's energy. They also sell all natural pills. Another thing with me, I do take stool softeners, right? I take stool softeners, but she told me, why are they walking down the street like that? But she told me, and I do detox tea. Like, I'm not a person that drinks soda and juice a lot. I really drink a lot of hot tea. I drink a lot of hot tea. But I don't drink water. I do not drink water like that. I don't like the way water tastes to me. To me, water tastes funny. I'm sorry. So she gave me, I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm gonna put all of their information for this company in the description bar below. But these are the pills that she gave me. And she told me to take 2 this evening, 2 in the morning. Take 2 every morning, take 2 every evening. And I'm definitely gonna start doing that. My stomach does feel light. Like, my stomach definitely feels light. I feel free. When I came out that bathroom, I was like, damn, I let a mother freaking load up. Okay? I let out a whole damn load. But I do feel good, but I want to take a freaking shower. I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm ready to get in the damn shower, all that shit. It's a lot of shit. A lot of shit, and I'm ready to take a shower and rinse this shit up on me. It's like, it ain't on me, but, you know, you just feel like, yeah. And I'm using that bed, well, I don't guess this is the type of business that she does, and she's used to that people in the bathroom using the bathroom up and stuff. I'm like one of the people, when I'm about to let out a load, I want to get undressed. I want to take my clothes off in the bathroom. That's the type of person that I am. But I enjoyed it. I loved it. She was very professional. She was very fun, and she was very knowledgeable. She let me know a lot of things that I did not know when it came to your bowel movements and your colon and your digestive system. So I did like that. And then she wanted to follow me on YouTube. She wanted to look at my stuff. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date when I